Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning dark mode on and off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Most people these days prefer dark mode. To set up dark mode on your Xiaomi phone, start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down a bit and select Display. Here you can switch between light and dark mode. If you want to set up a dark mode schedule so that it comes on automatically at certain times of the day or night, tap Schedule Dark Mode. You can then choose for it to come on from sunset to sunrise, or choose Custom to set your own schedule. You can also quickly turn dark mode on or off by swiping down from the top right of the screen to get to the control panel, expanding the extra controls and then tapping the dark mode icon. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.